Welcome to Catalyst Grid. My name is Kingsley Amafua, lead scheduler with DC Nordics. The building is weather-tight, the IRONGATE frame is complete. And now, every discipline, every trade, every system that makes a data center function is fighting for the same physical space. MEP, first fix, is the most complex phase of data center construction. It is where programs collapse if the coordination is weak. But it is also where programs are successfully defended if the team remains disciplined. The MEP coordination process on IRONGATE is governed by the BIM execution plan. Every discipline, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, has modeled their systems at level of development 400. The models are federated every 2 weeks. Navisworks runs automatic clash checks and produces a ranked list. On IRONGATE, the process identified 112 installation clashes before any pipe or tray was fixed. Resolving those clashes in the model cost 400 engineer hours. On site, it would have cost 10 times that. Zone ownership is the discipline that prevents clash recurrence. Each trade is assigned primary zones for their services. This hierarchy is documented in the Combined Services Drawings, the CSDs, the installation blueprint for each area. Mechanical first fix on IRONGATE covers 3 primary systems, starting with chilled water pipework. This is black carbon steel pipework with welded joints, pressure tested to 1.5 times working pressure. The primary circuit runs to the air handling units, while the secondary circuit distributes to the CRAHs in the halls. All pipework is pre-insulated with closed-cell nitrile rubber and an outer vapor barrier jacket for protection. Each generator has an exhaust flue routed through an acoustic silencer to a discharge point above the roofline. These flues feature mineral wool insulation and stainless cladding, where they pass through occupied spaces. Battery rooms require dedicated ventilation for hydrogen gas extraction, designed for 10 air changes per hour minimum. The system has 100% redundancy, with fans connected directly to the emergency power circuit. Electrical first fix begins with cable containment, the trays, ladders, and trunking that carry the power. On IRONGATE, the containment hierarchy is strictly enforced to ensure physical segregation and safety. Power and data cables are on separate systems with a minimum separation of 300 mm to prevent signal corruption. Bare copper earthing conductors run throughout, bonded to each tray section for full equipment protection. Fire-rated cable penetration seals are installed at every boundary to maintain fire resistance for up to 2 hours. A significant development is the shift toward prefabricated MEP modules, assembled off-site in controlled factory environments. On IRONGATE, 63 secondary chilled water pipe spool assemblies were prefabricated and delivered ready for lift. Prefabrication reduced site installation from 18 days to just 4, while significantly improving overall quality. The schedule signal. MEP coordination is the discipline that makes every other activity on the program achievable. The BIM clash meetings were our most important. Resolving conflicts on screen prevents catastrophes on site. In episode 10, we tackle the most complex episode, the HV substation, incoming grid power, and the power story. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you in episode 10.